kamiti ya mwanya na iria yamurirwo ni mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto gukorwo igithurima mutaratara wa githomo na makiria wa CBC itemi-ini ria gukorwo makiagirithia na kwarira mitaratara ya kwagirithia mathomo maya. Umuthi ni gitemanitie reporti ya mbere ya mutongoria wa bururi niwe Dagitari William Ruto. Gukiri uguo ni makiranire kana ni makiendekithitie mamwe ma maria magikorwo makiagirithio kana mitaratara iria ingikorwo ikigithio itemi-ini ria kwagirithia mathomo maya ma CBC.
Minista wa githomo Ezekiel Mashagunia hebiri na kurutithia wira riciri ria Kamitii nyamurirwo ya guthurima githomo mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto arinire ria kuramata gikiro kia mathomo kia junior secondary mwanya na thukuru cia muthingi akiuga uu riri Kamitii no kurutaga riboti yao thikira-ini wa wairegi ria mutongoria wa bururi na munini wa Rigathi wa Gachagua.
One such recommendation that did emanate from this team was on junior secondary school, which the team recommended that we have to have it domiciled in our existing primary schools.
Ruto ni akenereire wira wa Kamitii ino kiuga ni onire githomo gitiri na kigina kiiganu gia gutwarithia na mbere na kuhotithia gukinyaniria mutaratara mweru wa CBC undu uria utumite bajeti-ini ya mwaka wa 2023-2024 tengerwo bilioni 630 niguo guthii na mbere na kurua na mathina maria mari sector-ini ino.
30%, 29 point something percent of our budget this year is going to education. 628 billion shillings is going to education. And we made it deliberate because we needed to sort out many things.
Thina umwe ni wagi wa arimu uria ucungiriire gucokana thutha gwa githomo bururi-ini. Riu kihonia ni kioneku thutha wa arimu matanyihiire 56,000 kwandikwo wira guku Kamitii ino ikiendekithia angi guthii na mbere na kuingirio wira nginya gutigirira githomo ni giakinyanira na njira nginyaniru bururi-ini.
As a result of the investments that we continue to make in education, we managed to hire through the Teacher Service Commission 56,000 teachers in the last 8 months, the highest ever in the history of Kenya.
Mutaratara mweru wa guteithiriria Ruto kuriha marihi ma university ni wikitwo mogaruruku uria wa kuheana kigina kia help ugiteanirio kuona wigananu ndurari murumbuye guku mutaratara mweru ukiendekithia arutwo aria matari na uhoti kurugamirirwo na gicunji kia kwa igana niguo kumahotithia guthii na mbere na mathomo mao.
This and our TVETs that we will make sure that the new funding model that is centered around the student going into the future, giving grants to universities, we will be giving scholarships to students going to universities.
Makiria tafarira ya uheani wa irio cukuru-ini kireirwo kuona kuringana na ripoti ya Kamitii ino arutwo aingĩ nĩ marema wa guthii kumana na wagi wa irio cukuru ni ciongereire namba ya arutwo toino wekikirwo mukore ni mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto.
Number of students under our school feeding program from 1.6 million to 4 million. And I am very happy that we have provided resources to increase our students under the school feeding program.
Adoini Hamuthingi TV, ria kwani maina wa mucwe.
Ucio ni maina wa mucwe na ripoti